Hi, I'm Jade with the JDS Industries Sublimation Department. We have received some comments about roller marks and smearing occurring on sublimation prints. Usually, the solution to this is a simple paper feed belt cleaning. This is a simple process and I'll take you through step by step. Let's get started. All you need is some isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. If you don't have a lint-free cloth lying around, you can use a coffee filter or a non-shedding cotton t-shirt. Anything that won't leave any debris behind when we're done wiping the printer down. The first step is to locate the paper feed belt. Just pop open the top of your printer and you'll see this shiny piece of plastic. Here you can wet your lint-free cloth and begin wiping down this piece. Make sure you have enough alcohol on your cloth, but not enough to make the belt visibly wet. Next, we'll have to go to the back of the printer so that we can manually move the belt. This way we can be sure we've cleaned every part of the belt that we can. Remove the back plate and look for the black rubber wheels. These will be what we rotate to move the paper feed belt manually. So as you can see, as we rotate these, the belt will move forward. Now we will get some more alcohol and wipe this part down. And we'll just continue this process until we've wiped down the entire belt. Once you're done, you can close everything back up. We recommend waiting about 15 to 20 minutes before using the printer, but you should see that your prints have cleared up and everything is back in working order. If you have any questions, give us a call at the number below or visit us online. Thanks for watching!